Bridgeport Theater Company's The Music Man, opening May 4th at the Downtown Cabaret Theater, will sing God Bless America.
Hi guys.
God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains to the prairie, to the ocean.
Let's hear it for